Hi and welcome back to my channel. I'm going to start off by saying thank you to all my new subscribers and people who watch my videos. If you're watching this video, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and it'll help my channel grow and it doesn't cost you anything. And if you hit the bell icon, it lets you know when new videos have been uploaded. Right, today I'm going to weather up this Departmental coach that I've got. I did one the other day, so I'm going to do this one as well now. First job to do is to take the wheels off the bogies. You don't really want paint on the portion of the wheel that runs on the track. So we'll take that out the bogies. Well, take the wheels at the bogies first. As before, I'll be using this black wash that I made up. First off, putting it all over the coach. That's the first layer painted on. So once that's dried, I'll take a look what it's like. I'm going to continue enhancing this weathering on these two coaches that I've got. I'll be using Tamiya Weathering Masters. And this Rain Marks. See what it's like. That's all three of my coaches now all weathered up. Thank you very much for watching. And if you've got to this stage, thank you very much for watching to the end. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. It'll help my channel grow. Okay, I'll edit this and put it online. So bye for now, everyone, take care.